All right, gonna make this short and sweet. Me and John finally made it out to Busco, and we're gonna take the Bayous out and give them a proper beating. That being said, let's get after it. What's going on, everybody, and welcome back. John and I finally got the chance to take our Bayous out to Busco Beach and fully test them out. After adding winches, lights, and fixing all kinds of problems that mine had, we decided, let's take it out there and put it through the ringer. Give these things a thorough beat down. As you'll see, the Bayous do some things great, some things not so great. Keeping in mind that these are both sub 250cc four-wheelers with two-wheel drive, they are more than capable machines, and we love them. We started out with just a little bit of light stuff, going through a little bit of mud, just hitting some light trails, just to make sure that everything was in top shape and that it wasn't going to tear up on us when we finally did actually start beating on these things. Now, mine has had issues in the past with the front suspension actually coming apart. That was also part of why we were being so careful to begin with, because I didn't want that to happen again. Last time it flung me into the woods, and I'm not about that life. John's Bayou is a 250 from 2005. Mine is a 220 from 1998. So neither one of these four-wheelers are brand new. Both of them have been rode and rode hard. We did notice that both the engines are a little bit noisy, and we've been told from about everyone we know that has a Bayou that they're all noisy. There's not a whole lot you can do about it. As long as it runs, I don't really care.
John found this particularly nice mud hole earlier, and he can't quite remember where it is, so we're trying to find it again. I hope that's just steam. Well, that's true. There's no radiator, so we're good there. Alright, I guess I'm going through this mud hole. Am I going full tilt or what? Full tilt? Send it? Full sender? You going through it with yours?
Yeah.
Okay. You look a little damp.
I'm damn in places I shouldn't be.
Yeah. Good time?
Yeah.
On to the next one? Heard.
Look at that river, boy. Good gosh.
Remember what I said about the Bayou being two-wheel drive and it not having a very big motor? Yeah, so I forgot for a second.
Well, he did it now.
Oh, the little Bayou that almost could. Yeah, I won't be trying that again. It does.
Y'all good?
Yeah, we're good. Took a swim.
Oh, here.
Good?
Yeah, took a swim.
Alright. Oh! Well, that died. I got a TBR7 at the house and I love it.
Oh, nice, man. Awesome. It's a drown hole. Nah. I went through there. I was like, I don't look bad. We swallowed it. To about right here.
Oh, God.
So, right here. There you go.
We got a YouTube channel, Rattle Can Custom.
Oh, okay. Rattle can.
Oh, God.
That was it.
Oh, my.
That was it. I saw
Wow,
that.
dude.
I saw that and I was like,
Wow.
right, and I thought I was waiting for you to go. Ah! Let's get out of there.
He already clipped it and sent it to your wife.
Oh, that's
No, I snapped
that's
it to my
amazing.
brother-in-law. I snapped it to Vanessa.
Oh, that's great. You're not the only one to sink something today. I sank the crap out of that bayou about probably 10 minutes ago.
Today, so try to kick it. Well, at least if you kick it, it'll spin it over and you see. That battery's about to.
And before anybody comments about having to push this Chinese bike back, go sink yours and let me know how good it runs. Well, that was an adventure. So we told y'all that Bayous were the little four-wheelers that could. John's handled like a champ. John's is a 250, light bars, new carb, new tires, and it was pretty much done. And this thing has been a champion. Absolutely no problems whatsoever with this thing. Mine, complete opposite. I've got a lot of carb work I need to do on this thing. It kept wanting to cut off and rev high and all that, and I think a lot of that has to do with the carburetor boots. I do believe one of them or both of them have a leak. The winches worked like they were supposed to, so that's good. John said it best. It is the Swiss Army knife of four-wheelers. They do a lot of stuff.
Yeah, it does nothing great. It does everything.
I'm going to call this a win just because we didn't have to push either one of these back to the trailers.
The only time we had to pull something, we pulled you out of the mud hole.
Well, that was my own fault more than anything, but I mean, you know how that goes. Everything on it worked like it was supposed to. I just had a hard time getting the carburetor to act correctly, and that might be something I'm just overlooking. I may need to just rejet. I don't know. But I still call it a winner. We'll get it situated, and I think what we're going to do next with them is we may load them up and take them to Ohio and go beat on them at, probably CREOLA. Maybe. We'll have to get with Matt on that. But these are definitely off-road ready now, especially with the winches and the lights and everything. I think they're golden. What do you think, man? Good?
Good time.
It was a good time. I had a great time. If you get the chance to buy a Kawasaki Bayou, whether it's a 220 or a 250, get one. I mean, they're great little bulletproof four-wheelers. Yes, they may or may not have their problems, but this is like a 98. This thing is
Parts are very
old.
cheap for these things.
Also true. The parts are ridiculously cheap for these. I think I bought a carb with an air filter and all that for, what, $25, $30, something like that? They're solid little four-wheelers. I mean, if you stick inside their capabilities, they're great.
If not, we'd have a winch.
If you decide to go outside their capabilities, bring a winch and ride with someone else so that they can pull you out. Because, yeah, hard lesson learned. Especially when I sank this thing. It was up to, what, the gas tank in here? So, yeah. It was a good time, though. I have no complaints other than the fuel issue, but I think that's my own fault, and I'll get it situated. If you haven't already, you can like and subscribe. Make sure you use the links in the description to pick up a t-shirt from MiniBike Apparel or a Rattle Can Customs t-shirt from Stover Customs. And until next time, y'all get out there.
Oh, you gotta tell somebody something. Get after it.